Sindh driving license office goes digital. Sindh police introduced a new computerized driving license system on Tuesday. Sindh police introduced a new computerized driving license system on Tuesday. The announcement was made by IG Sindh Aladino, AD. Khawaja, who inaugurated the process in a ceremony held at Driving License Office, Clifton Branch. The new system offers latest technology and facilities. IG Khawaja explained that it will help putting a stop to fake licenses, and added that convenience and transparency will now be enhanced. IG Khawaja stated that provision of the driving licenses has been made possible for public through one-window operation. According to other police officials, people will be able to access information pertaining to their driving licenses via a mobile app. They went to say that license applicants will be kept informed throughout the process via texts, SMS. It is noteworthy that Sindh's modernized driving license system will be acceptable globally. Driving licenses can be renewed 15 minutes now, while procuring a new license takes only 40 minutes. Detailing the issues with the old system, IG Khawaja said, people had to wait for a long time. He discussed further improvements with DIG, and added that he told him to make sure to set performance indicators. IG Khawaja commented that the new driving license system will assist in the National Action Plans, NAP, implementation. With the latest developments in driving license system, applicants can make payments online. Furthermore, home delivery is also offered, through which an applicant's address can be verified.